I don't think we could help it.
If you could imagine
Okay, hello, good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Yes.
Hey, how are you today, guys?
Good.
I'm feeling well.
Okay,
Good.
nice. All right, welcome back again to the class, Pro and Sis. For those who can turn on your camera, you can please turn on your camera first. Buat yang bisa aktifin kamera, boleh diaktifin kameranya. Thank you so much, Bro Omi dan Bro Raffi, who always open your camera. Okay, so for today, Bro and Sis, we talk about grammar again. Hari ini kita topiknya tentang grammar lagi. We will talk about countable and uncountable nouns. So part 1. So there will be 2 sessions to talk about countable and uncountable nouns. Jadi kita ada 2 sesi yang akan bicara tentang countable sama uncountable noun. This is the first part of this topic. Ini adalah topik pertama tentang countable and uncountable nouns. All right. Before we start, maybe I want to ask you, is there some of you that know what is countable and uncountable and what is the difference? Ada yang udah tahu belum bedanya countable sama uncountable itu apa?
Kalau countable itu benda yang dapat dihitung sih, yes. Kalau uncountable, benda yang tidak dapat dihitung.
Oke, kalau countable bisa dihitung, kalau uncountable tidak bisa dihitung. Let's try ya, kita coba dulu. This one, bro and sis, chair. Is it countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable.
Countable, that's right. Sugar, countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Uncountable.
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 Countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Okay, so sugar is uncountable. The next idea, countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
Okay, countable. All right, the next water, countable
Uncountable.
or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
Okay, uncountable, that's right. Tree, countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable.
That's right. Countable. Love.
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Car.
Countable.
Okay.
Countable.
The last one. Book.
Countable.
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 Countable. That's right. Okay, let's take a look. So for grammar, bro and sis, there are 2 types of grammar, which is countable and uncountable noun. Countable nouns is noun that can be counted. Jadi countable noun itu noun yang bisa dihitung satuan. Kayak 1, 2, 3, 4 itu disebutnya countable noun. For example, apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. Atau tadi ada book, car, and then door, and then that kind of thing. Dan etc. dan lain-lain. And then uncountable noun, it is noun that cannot be counted, yang nggak bisa dihitung. For example, yang nggak bisa dihitung satuan, 1, 2, 3, 4. Itu dia nggak bisa dihitung pakai satuan seperti itu, disebutnya uncountable noun. Contohnya ada air atau udara, rice, nasi, water, and then all the example that we have mentioned previously, sama contoh-contoh uncountable noun yang tadi sudah ditampilkan. Okay, this is the countable noun. Untuk countable noun, bro and sis, untuk kalimat positif, we use a atau an untuk yang singular atau yang tunggal, and kita menggunakan some untuk penyebutan countable noun yang jamak. For example, there's a man at the door. Noun-nya yang mana, bro and sis?
Man.
Man, that's right. I have some friends in New York. Noun-nya yang mana?
France.
France.
Friends, right. For negatif, untuk kalimat yang negatif, untuk singular, kita tetap pakai e atau n. And yang pluralnya kita pakai any. Kalau tadi di kalimat positif itu pakainya some. Kalau di kalimat negatif pakainya any. For example, I don't have a dog. Yang mana noun-nya?
Dog.
Dog.
Dog. That's right. There aren't any seats. Yang mana noun-nya?
Seat.
Seats. That's right. Karena dia plural, makanya pakainya any. Kalau di sini, kalau jamak pakainya some. If the sentence is positive. Kalau kalimatnya positif. Alright. For this one, bro and sis, ada yang mau ditanyain dulu? Or clear? Clear ya? Oke. Antara clear atau bingung nih?
Bingung dikit.
Bingung dikit. Oke, boleh sambil dilihat-lihat dulu. Beberapa menit.
Miss, what the meaning is plural? Plural?
Plural itu artinya jamak, sayang. Lebih dari satu.
Oh, okay.
Gitu. Ini kan man gitu ya, seorang laki-laki. Some friends, beberapa teman. Plural itu artinya jamak, lebih dari satu.
I see.
I don't have.
Miss, kapan kita pakai e sama n?
Oke, that's a good question. Kapan kita pakai e dan n? Kalau misal huruf itu kan ada dua jenis ya, bro and sis. Ada yang namanya, kalau di bahasa Indonesia tuh ada huruf vokal. Vokal. Ada huruf konsonan. Konsonan. Apa aja nih huruf vokal? A,
A, I, U, E.
E, O. Kalau konsonan berarti yang selain A, I, U, E, O gitu ya.
Ya.
Yes. Kalau misal satu kata itu berawalan A, I, U, E, O, kita pakainya N. Kalau misal suatu kata atau noun-nya itu berawalan huruf konsonan, kita pakainya E. Tuh. Contoh deh, noun apa ya? Kalau misal mau bilang seekor semut, berarti gimana?
An ant.
An ant. That's right. Apalagi ya? Masih.
An apple.
Nah, that's right. Sebuah apel. Apple atau an apple?
An apple.
Right. Yang ini, an apple. Kenapa an apple?
Because an
Karena
apple starts didahului with oleh huruf vokal.
Betul, karena diawali huruf vokal, makanya dia pakainya an. Gitu. Contoh, seorang murid, a student atau an student?
A student.
Student.
A student atau an student?
A student.
A student. Kenapa a student?
Karena awalnya
Konsonan.
Kanan konsonan.
S itu huruf konsonan, that's right. Itu dia bedanya penggunaan e sama n.
Oh ya paham.
Kalau penggunaan some gimana, Miss?
Penggunaan some.
Iya.
Oke, some ini untuk kalimat positif yang menunjukkan si noun-nya ini lebih dari satu. Contohnya, kalau ini kan e sama n itu artinya dia bisa sebuah, seekor, sebatang, setangkai gitu ya. Ini e atau n. Kalau misal dia si bendanya, si noun-nya ini lebih dari satu, untuk kalimat positif pakainya some. Yes. Kalau misal sis Ana mau bilang, kalau ini kan I have some friends gitu ya, saya memiliki beberapa teman. Kalau sis Ana mau bilang, saya memiliki beberapa apel.
Some apples. I have
Some
some
apples.
Some apples, that's
Okay.
right. Saya memiliki beberapa siswa.
I have some
I have some
student.
You
student.
have some student.
That's right. I have some students.
Kalau kalimat negatifnya jadinya gimana, sis?
Kalau kalimat negatifnya, nah ini kalimat negatifnya ada di bawah. Pakainya any.
Oh,
Oh,
udah maksud.
ini.
Ah ya, udah tahu.
I know.
Ya.
Oh,
Baru
Can
tahu.
Can
Jadi
I
kalau
add
misalnya
about any?
positif itu pakainya some. Kalau
That's
misalnya
right.
negatif tuh pakai any.
Exactly.
Much,
Oh,
much.
ya.
Can I add
I do
about any?
understand.
Artinya sama juga berarti beberapa gitu.
Beberapa, tapi dia untuk kalimat negatif, sayang.
Oh,
I see
Oh.
that.
Yes, kalau
Can
kalimat
I
negatif
add
itu yang
about
ada
any?
don't,
Lain
ada
dong contoh
aren't.
kalimat negatif dong, Miss.
Kenapa?
Contoh lain yang kalimat negatif.
Contoh lain yang kalimat negatif gitu ya, yang udah ada aja deh. I don't have a dog. Saya nggak punya seekor yang pakai any aja ya. There aren't any seats. Di sana nggak ada seats apa ya, bangku ya, beberapa bangku gitu. Kalau misal di sana tidak ada beberapa tiket.
There
Yeah.
are any tickets.
Any.
There
There
aren't
aren't
any tickets.
any tickets.
Any.
Oh,
There aren't any tickets.
Clear?
Clear.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Yes.
Let's move to the
I
next.
wanna ask something, sis.
Oh my God, banyak yang bertanya. Oke, boleh. One more question ya.
Oh, okay.
I just
Something
add
positive?
something. I
Yes.
just add something about any.
Oke,
Any
please.
can use for interrogative sentences.
Oke, any can use for interrogative sentences. Boleh juga dipakai untuk yang kalimat tanya. Nanti ada nih di slide selanjutnya, Bro Omi. Thank you so much for your information. Okay, alright. Next ya, Bro and Sis.
Jadi yang mana?
Oke, this is for uncountable noun. Kalau tadi countable noun atau noun yang bisa dihitung, sekarang uncountable noun. Noun yang nggak bisa dihitung satuan. Contohnya ada bread, rice, coffee, information, and etc. Untuk uncountable noun, kalau tadi kan kalau noun yang bisa dihitung itu ada yang sebuah, setangkai, selembar gitu ya. Kalau misal uncountable noun, karena because they are uncountable noun, karena dia uncountable, makanya hanya ada yang pluralnya doang. Gitu. For example, there's some milk in the fridge. Ada beberapa susu di kulkas. There isn't any coffee. Di sana nggak ada kopi. Ini yang uncountable noun. Nah, ini yang tadi disebutkan sama Bro Omi about interrogative, tentang yang kalimat tanya. Tadi kan ada kalimat positif, ada kalimat negatif, sekarang yang kalimat tanya atau interrogative sentences. In question, kita pakai atau an, and any atau how many untuk countable nouns. For example, is there an email address to write to? Noun-nya yang mana berarti?
email address. No.
Email address.
Address.
Okay. Are there any chairs? Yang mana noun-nya?
Chairs.
Chairs, that's right. Di sini pakai any ya. How many chairs are there? Yang mana noun-nya?
Chairs.
Chairs, that's right. Nah, di sini kita bisa pakai atau an, bisa pakai any, bisa pakai how many untuk interrogative sentence. Ada an, ada any, ada how many. And then untuk yang uncountable nouns, kita pakainya any dan how much. Kalau di sini how many, kalau di sini how much. Seberapa banyak. Ya, for example, is there any sugar? Yang mana noun-nya, Bro and Sis?
Sugar.
Sugar.
That's right. How much orange juice is there? Yang mana noun-nya?
Oranges.
Orange juice.
Orange juice. That's right. Kita bisa pakai any, bisa pakai how much. Alright. And then the next, when we offering something or asking something, kalau misal kita mau menawarkan sesuatu atau meminta sesuatu, sopannya gitu ya, secara sopannya kita pakainya some. We normally use some. For example, we want to offer someone to chocolate, for some chocolate. Do you want some chocolate? This one. Yang mana noun-nya?
Chocolate.
Coklat.
Chocolate. That's right. Can we have some more chair, please? Yang mana noun-nya?
Chairs.
Chairs. That's right. Okay. And then we also use some in question when we think the answer will be yes. For example, have you got some new glasses? Nah, ini bisa pakai some untuk question. Seperti yang sebelumnya. Alright, for this one, any question, bro and sis? Wow, ini banyak banget di chat. Ada apa nih? Ada rame-rame apa nih? Okay, for this one, clear ya, bro and sis?
Clear, miss.
Clear, okay, nice. This is the other expression of quantity untuk menyebutkan jumlah expression yang lain. Kalau tadi kan ada some, ada any gitu ya. Selain itu, bro and sis juga bisa pakai lot of atau lots of. Bisa dipakai buat countable atau uncountable noun. Contohnya, there are lots of apples on trees. Jadi selain pakai some, kita juga bisa pakai lots of.
Ya.
There is a lot of snow on the road.
Itu artinya beberapa juga, sis.
Yes,
Oh, iya.
beberapa, tapi beberapanya tuh lebih ke banyak.
Iya.
There are lots of apple on the trees. There is a lot of snow on the road. So, kita bisa pakai lots of atau lot. Gitu. And then notice that we don't usually use many or much in positive sentence. We use a lot of instead. Jadi kalau many sama much itu lebih dipakai ke yang interrogative atau untuk yang bertanya. Untuk yang pertanyaan. They have a lot of money. Jadi bukan they have much money atau they have money gitu. Gitu. Kita pakainya they have a lot of money. And then, however, in negative sentences, we use not many with countable noun and not much with uncountable nouns. For example, there are a lot of carrots, but there aren't many potatoes. Jadi kalau misal di negative sentence, kita bisa pakai not many buat countable, not much untuk yang uncountable. There are, ini kan Aaron ini asal katanya adalah are not ya, bro and sis.
Iya.
Barangkali ada yang belum notice. There are not many potatoes. Jadi untuk kalimat negatif boleh pakai many, boleh pakai much. Tuh, kalau yang kalimat positif itu normalnya pakainya a lot of. Seperti itu. Alright. So far, okay, before we jump to the discussion, bro and sis, any question for this? One question.
Classes.
Okay, please.
Why when the before
This one?
no
Which one? This
kenapa
one?
yang apples use are and snow use is?
Okay. Alright. Ada yang notice apa bedanya? Kenapa yang ini pakai are? Kenapa yang ini pakai is?
Soalnya
Ada yang notice?
apples ada itu lebih dari satu enggak sih?
Ah, exactly. That's right. Jangan ragu-ragu. Betul jawabannya. Jadi, karena apple-nya ini adalah plural, sayang. Makanya pakainya are. Kalau misal ini snow-nya itu singular, dia satu gitu.
Iya.
Makanya pakainya is. Gitu. Clear ya, sis Vanes? Sis Vanes ya tadi yang nanya. Oke, alright. So, let's jump to the discussion. We have some list of question related this. Oh yeah, actually for this one untuk yang tentang a lot, many, much dan yang lain-lain, Bro and Sis di modul itu ada latihan yang Bro and Sis bisa kerjain tentang penggunaan many, much, some dan lain-lain. Nanti bisa dibuka aja modulnya.
Oke,
Alright. Mhm.
understood.
This one, let's jump to the breakout room. I will divide you into. Oh yeah, I want to ask you, Bro and Sis, kalau misal di breakout room 5 orang itu sebenarnya terlalu banyak nggak sih menurut kalian?
Enggak juga.
Nggak juga.
Enggak.
Okay, alright then.
Depend on
Okay.
the question.
Depend on the question. What about this question? Kalau question yang ini, kebanyakan nggak kalau 5 orang?
I
Then I
it's too
think
much.
it's too much.
Too much.
7. We yesterday until 7 or 8 question with
Oh,
5
okay.
person.
Alright. Okay, so not all of the question is
Yes.
discussed, yeah. All right. So maybe I will only try to create.
But if with another room, if we don't have many people in here, like 5 or under it, I think it will be to not to ikut join gitu, Miss. Maksudnya
Oh, okay.
mereka jarang aktif. Kan ada beberapa yang gitu.
Okay, so it will be better if in the room minimum 4 until 5 person lah ya.
Yes.
Okay, all right then. I will divide you into like 4 until 5 person in the room. You can go to the breakout room and I will send the list of question in our group.
Oke, thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Hello, Bro Wafi. What happened?
I'm sorry, I'm late.
Okay, I will assign you to one of the breakout room ya, bro ya.
Okay.
Good evening, Mrs. Anna.
Mrs. Fira, what happened?
what happened?
Sorry, I'm late.
Oh, okay. I will assign you to some room, yeah, Mrs. Fira.
Okay. Yeah. I just remember that today
Hi, Miss.
Hello.
It's
Alright. Why?
oh my god, it's so fun, but I need
So
more.
fast. The time so fast.
Yeah, it's so
Yeah, it's so
fast.
fast. I need to more time.
Oh my God. How many questions have you discussed?
Seven.
No
Four.
way.
Just
I'm
four.
just four.
Just four.
Just
But
four.
Just
Four of
four,
my
sis.
ba.
so lot.
Four.
Okay, alright. Okay, hopefully tomorrow we will
4 person are active, so we can
only
have 7 questions. The other have business,
Tomorrow you
something
solve
busy.
yeah. Sometimes in the breakout room, not all the people are joining the conversation,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
They doing
They include in the room, but not very active.
yes, only listening for the
Really
conversation.
only
All right.
listening.
Yes. Okay. All right, Francis. It is already 9 p.m. So it's time for us to say
Thank
goodbye.
you, Miss
So
Anne.
thank you so
Thank
much
you,
for coming
Thank you
today.
so
We
much.
will meet again
Nice,
next Monday. Okay,
nice lesson.
bye-bye.
Thank you, sis.
Thank you.